Hi, welcome back. Now, what we're going to be doing right now is showing people when you connect something like a USB or an external hard drive, kind of like our little external hard drive we've got here, you can't just pull that out of your laptop or computer.
Even though everyone does.
Yeah, it's not good to do that because you can actually corrupt all the files, not only on your little hard drive or USB stick, you can actually cause damage to your PC or laptop. And that's something that you should not do. Now there's a really quick way of doing it safely. All you need to do is basically, if I look here, I've got my Windows Explorer open, and I can see that I've got PCTV G, the file G, my drive G, which is this external drive right here. Yep. So in order to safely eject that drive, there's in the taskbar down the bottom where it's got this little arrow and it says show hidden icons. You click on that, you'll see a little USB thing with a green tick. Yeah. Now that little USB icon with the green tick, if you hover your mouse over it, will actually say safely remove or eject media. Now you simply click on that, it'll think about it for a second, and then it'll say, oh, do you want to eject backup RD, which is the name of this drive particularly. Yes. So I say yes, I want to eject that. And then it says now it's safe to remove hardware. And then you can safely remove that drive without causing damage to any of the data on the drive, and it doesn't cause any damage or corrupt any files on your laptop or PC. Yep. It's a really simple, quick thing, but you'd be surprised how many people don't.
Well, they don't, and I mean, the reason it's a risk is you've mounted a file system, it's live.
Yeah.
All right, and USB is Universal Serial Bus, as we know.
Yep.
Which means all of your USB devices are actually working in a serial ring, right?
Yeah.
The more you have on there, the more they're sharing what USB can do. And if you just yank something out, which is also providing the power as well.
That's right.
1.5 volts, I think.
Yes.
Right? You can seriously disrupt it.
Now, because it's volatile, it's power.
Yeah, 99% of the time it won't happen. But you can bet that if you don't adopt this practice, it's going to be your thesis or something.
Yeah, it'll be important. That 1% will be the thing that, your doctorate that you need to hand up, or it could be that presentation you've got for work, or whatever it may be.
Bitcoin wallet.
Oh, you do not want to have your Bitcoin wallet taken out. Yeah. Imagine doing that. You corrupted your file. I had 3 Bitcoins on there. It's worth 7,000. Anyway.
Yeah, anyway. That's not bad.
So,
simple thing to do.
It is simple and neglected, I think.
Very much.
Neglected. So it's just a very, very simple process. Like I said, you just simply go to the show hidden icons arrow, find your drive, click on it, eject it, and then remove it safely and never have that hassle. Yes. And once you do it once, you'll never ever get it wrong.